Hello, beautiful people. I am Denise Leslie, founder, CEO, and therapist at Medical and Sports Massage, coming to you today to talk about cryotherapy. What is it? What's cryotherapy? Cryo, cold. It's a huge machine, and we can drop those temperatures as low as negative 185 Fahrenheit. Now, we wouldn't do that on a first timer, but we have the ability to do so. So, there's many things and many reasons why a practitioner such as myself wants my patient to get inside the cryotherapy machine. But the most important, well, they're all important, but the top tier is it reduces inflammation everywhere. So in your joints, in your organs, in your muscle tissues. And why is that important for me? Examples. I love examples. If I have a patient that is limping into my office, their pain is at a 10 plus, they are suffering with sciatica, I cannot cut the sciatic nerve in that state. That would just be inhumane. I don't like torturing people. So they're going to get some form of cryotherapy. If it's not the machine, then it's going to be some ice to reduce that inflammation so that I can go in and do what I need to do to help release that nerve impingement. So that's an example. Another example is, I'm going to shout out to my cyclist friends. I've got some cyclist friends who will cycle 100 miles plus in one sitting. Seriously. And they come and do cryotherapy after those rides because it keeps them on their bike so that they can do it again the next time they want to do it. Restores your muscle tissues. It reduces the lactic acid. It gets your blood and your lymph circulating, baby. You will feel so refreshed and revigorated when you get out of the cold therapy. And Americans right now, let's face it, I'm proud of us because we are living life at a very fast pace. These same people that are taking on 100 miles plus have jobs. You have a job and how do you multitask? And they have kids and they have spouses. I still off topic just a little bit. When I was a parent to Alicia and Adrian, I couldn't imagine working like I work now. I couldn't do both. It's like, ooh, how are you a wife, a mother, and a full-time worker? I salute all the mamas that do that. That's some time management that I haven't graduated to that level yet. I don't think I ever will. Anyway, back to cryo. Cryotherapy helps us with our busy, active lifestyle because it reduces inflammation. It restores your muscle tissues. It helps that stagnant blood and lymph move. So come and check us out. Get into our facility, which is located in Sandy Springs. Have a cryo treatment. Our website is www.livelifepainfree.com. There is a tab that says cryotherapy, and it has some great content on there. And of course, cross-reference. And if you have any questions, hit us up. You know where to find me. I'm there every day. Have a great day.